Hi everyone, this is our business statistic video presentation, which is interpretation of student lifestyle in NDIU. And then our group have 4 cuties. I'm Yao Yili, the other is Luo Jingyi, Lim Xiuqing, and Chu Yuxing. Nowadays, people are lack for exercise in their daily life, especially students. Therefore, this report is about interpretation of student lifestyle in NDIU. We have collected data for 110 Indian students, and now we are going to find out the relationship between gender, age, nationality, and time spent for statistical exercise. Now, I'm going to explain the process of data collection. The first step is create a Google form, set a question, send it via social media, use Excel and Word to combine the data, using the data to complete the assessment. Look, here is a diagram of the question, which is the courses, the age, nationality, statistical exercise hour, and the gender.
First, we calculate the 96% confidence interval of the mean time spent for physical activity exercise every week between male and female. And the next, this is our formula to calculate the 96% confidence interval of mean time spent for physical activity. These are the data we collect from 110 Indian students. Now, we conclude that we are 96% confident that the mean time spent for physical activity every week between male and female is 2.6487 and 5.9135.
Now for the part B, NDIU claims that mean time spent for physical activity by male students are more than female students. We use that test. This formula that we use is because we know the population varies, therefore we use this formula for our calculation. Then we use this data for our calculation. As the conclusion, we reject H0. There is enough statistical evidence to conclude that mean time spent for physical activity by male students are more than female students. Then for the part C, we use ANOVA table to calculate for our data. We have 5 nationality students of the physical activity. Thus, this is our F-test answer. So as a conclusion, we reject H0. There is enough statistical evidence to conclude that there is a significant difference in the mean time spent for physical activity for different nationality students.
And for the part D, does there exist any linear relationship between the age and time spent for physical activity per week of students regardless of their nationality and gender? This is the data that we collect from 110 students. The result that we calculate show that there exists weak positive linear relationship between X and Y. That means the age and the time spent for physical activity is not related. And for the part E, there is an extremely close relationship between confidence interval and hypothesis testing. With different confidence interval, we'll have different value for the parameter being estimated.
From this report, we have collected the data of 110 students in NDIU, as we can know that how long of the time spent in physical exercise of each student. So, this is all our video presentation.
Thank you! Created using Powtoon.